Today, we're gonna show you how to become a seagull on Henry Street. Yo! You up the gull ass. Stop, bro. Stop what? Nah, nothing, bro. Sorry, keep going. The seagulls on Henry Street. A violent bunch with a taste for human blood. Many chicken fillet rolls have become lost to the mouth of these squawk ass. What's a squawker? Dunno, bro, I just made it up. Oh, nice one, bro, I like that. Squawker! You up the squawkers? Yo! Love you, bro. What? Sorry, nothing. When talking to a seagull, it's best to speak to them in a language they'll understand. Yeah, say like, come here to me for a minute, I just want to ask you a few questions. Nah, bro. All you gotta say is, crawl, crawl, crawl. Fuck. What's happening, bro? Fuck off, bro, you? Nah, I mean, like, why are we flying? Don't you see, bro? We're seagulls now. Yeah! Ah, look, the rest of the lads are here. Alright, Ed. Did you make any ice creams lately, bro? Ed! Ed! I don't think he can hear you, bro. He must have his headphones on. I think he's listening to the Blind Boy podcast, bro. Yup, Blind Boy. Yup. This feels deadly, doesn't it, bro? Yeah, bro. Breeze on my face. Cap blowing in the wind. Feels like I'm pure floating, bro. Yup. Bro, what's up, bro? Do you ever think it only feels like we're flying, when really we're falling deeper into the abyss of acting out a role that was given to us by a society that doesn't know our name? What? Nothing, bro. Stoned. You're a weirdo, man. Look down there, that's Bosco. I just took a shite on his new Canada Goose jacket. That'll teach him for chasing me up for the 20 quid I own, bro. Yup, bro. From Canada Goose to Cabra Seagull. Fuck, bro. Dizzy now. Stop, bro. Same. How do we get down, bro? The seagull life is not a fashion statement, bro. This is how we must continue for the rest of eternity. Do you think people will miss us, bro? Nah, bro. Probably not. No one gives a rat's about us, bro. 2 seagull heads on us. Yup.